Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making watermelon breeze. This is a refreshing drink that's great for those hot summer days. We only need 3 simple ingredients, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of coconut water, 3 cups of watermelon chopped, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. And it's as simple as this. We're going to take our watermelon and our coconut water. We're just going to take all of our ingredients, go right into our blender, and we're going to mix this up for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. And just like that, it's done. Now let's plate this. We're going to start with some ice in our glass. Just going to fill it up. Kids are going to love this. Now you can garnish it with a fresh slice of watermelon, just like that. Looks great. Let's get a taste. Let's get a drink. Take off our garnish. It's so cold. It's light. It's refreshing. Get a slight hint of the coconut on the back end. It's very watermelon forward. It's not too sweet. This is going to be a fantastic drink this summer. Kids will love it, and adults. If you want to make it your own, you can add in a little bit of vodka or some rum as well. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link in that description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.